Welcome to our journey across the USA, exploring the incredible impact of random acts of kindness. It doesn't take much to make a difference. We're showcasing how small, unexpected gestures can create huge ripples of positivity. From bustling city streets to quiet neighborhood parks, we're setting the scene in public places all across America. Our simple goal is to brighten a stranger's day, proving that kindness truly is contagious. For our first act, we're heading to the local coffee shop drive-thru for a morning surprise. Imagine the look on someone's face when they realize their morning coffee has already been paid for by a stranger. We also left a small, encouraging note with a barista to keep the chain of kindness going strong. Next, we focus on helping hands at a community park, where assistance is often appreciated but unexpected. Whether it's with a heavy stroller or a pile of groceries, offering a moment of help to a struggling parent makes a huge difference. We also took time to clean up litter in the park, a silent act of kindness to benefit the entire community and environment. Our third act brings us to the streets, the unexpected relief of a parking meter surprise. Dropping spare change into a meter about to expire can save a stranger, a ticket, and a lot of stress. These acts can happen anywhere, from the bright lights of NYC and LA to any town across the states. Finally, we share the gift of reading through a random book exchange. Leaving a beloved book with a kind, handwritten inscription in a public place ensures someone else can discover its magic. A close-up on the positive message inside makes this gift truly personal and heartwarming. These random acts are just the beginning. The goal is to inspire a chain reaction. We encourage you to go out and perform your own random act of kindness today, wherever you are. Remember, the collective impact of small gestures can change the world, one kind moment at a time.